Hi, this is David McCann for WebTNG. In this video, I'm looking at a new feature coming in Bricks 2.4 beta version 3. The new feature is the Bricks browser. It allows you to view and load and manage a number of features, not only of Bricks, but also site-wide, without leaving the Bricks editor. So let's take a look. I've got a template open in Bricks 2.4. One thing we'll notice is that there used to be a stack icon here that's gone. To hide the structure panel, there is a toggle. But the main thing I wanted to show you is over on this side, there used to be an icon for opening the template collection. Now there is the browser icon. Okay, they've unified now a number of different areas, both within Bricks and within your website, that can be browsed with the Bricks browser. It's a lightbox type pop-up here. You can expand it full screen. You can search. We're in templates. You can look at Bricks wireframes, design sets. If you've set up some remote template libraries, they'll show there. You can filter by template type. You can view as a grid or a masonry or list. When you have one, you can edit it in Bricks, insert it, export it, create a screenshot, preview it, delete it. And here you can create a template, save a template. These items here are contextual. They switch depending on what we're looking at. So here are templates, here are components. These are Bricks items. But now these are post types. Here are the built-in post and page and media post types. But these are some of my custom post types. So we can actually go in and look at our pages, for instance. We can page through them here. We can filter by post status. We can sort by newest to oldest, by title, recently edited. Again, change the view. And there are settings here for how many to show and what metadata to show. So we could edit this then in Bricks right here without leaving the editor. Then if we look at the media library, there have been tons of enhancements here to the browsing, the media library. Again, we can search. There are some advanced filters here for media types and dates when it was uploaded, the file size, where it's missing alt text, media health. Then there are, again, sorting options. We can view it grid, masonry, list. We can upload, and then there's settings for how many to show per page and what metadata to show. So like here it's showing the MIME type. It sorted it by type. We have images, video, audio, fonts, and documents. We can edit it in WordPress. We can open a new tab to view it. If we select one, we can edit the metadata, download it, regenerate image sizes, delete it permanently. You can select multiple images if you want to insert them, like into a gallery or something like that. If we click on one, we see it shows here. We can copy the URL, we can download it, we can trash it, we can page through the images, we can close the pop-up lightbox type overlay, we can edit the title and alt text, we can mark the alt text as being decorative, we can see the generated image sizes. Okay, we can see the file size here. And there's a trash option. You can enable this trash option, gives instructions here how to do that. But what that does is it adds another step for deleting items from the media library. They go into trash first, and then you empty the trash, so kind of a safety option there. Another thing here, you notice we're looking at the library, but there's also a health tab here, and it scans the media library in the background, and it's looking for problem images like broken file. Here it is right here. We have a broken image where the record is there but the file is missing. We have images missing alt text that aren't marked as decorative. We have some missing image sizes. So here it tells us it's missing the large image size, and we can regenerate that. Obsolete formats, decorative, healthy. And if we go to the Bricks settings, this is the builder page. There's a new section for media. You can decide if you want to use the Bricks media browser or the WordPress media library. You can set up media folders with happy files. You can enable the health checks. You can set which health checks you want to enable, and then for image sizes, the thresholds and the obsolete file format extensions. For example, I think all of my images are now WebP, so I could add JPEG, PNG in here to see if there's some old ones that I've missed. Those are the settings now for the new media browser. Then here, going on down, this is the style manager. This is the font manager, the icon manager, and the query manager. So all of these that we can browse and manage and load from within Bricks without leaving the editor. So here we have some great usability enhancements and some great enhancements for managing the media library. So that's been the look at the new Bricks browser feature coming in Bricks 2.4. Hope you found the video interesting and useful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.